Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we are looking at the best 3D printers for kids. This fantastic printer is specially designed to help kids learn STEM skills while having fun. 3D printing is becoming increasingly popular and an excellent way for kids to learn about technology, design, and creativity. To help you out, we have analyzed the best 3D printers for kids so that you can find the best 3D printer perfect for your requirements. The goal of this 3D printer for kids is to help them learn about the basics of 3D printing so that they can create fun projects and develop their skills. For your support, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these given links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Creality Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer is ideal for parents looking for a high-quality 3D printer for their children. The CR Touch automatic leveling feature allows for efficient measurement and adjustment of the 25-point print height on the heat bed, making leveling much simpler. The larger build volume of 300,320mm permits printing large models and minor parts and several small models on a large build surface, thereby increasing efficiency and providing more creative possibilities. The printer's high-precision dual Z-axis, perfect coordination among dual Z-axes, timing belt, and dual motors ensures stability and higher printing precision. The full metal Bowden extruder is more durable and has greater extrusion force, guaranteeing smooth in-feed and out-feed and reducing the risk of nozzle blockage. The 350W high-quality built-in power supply improves stability and the sense of integration. The resume printing function can accurately record the data and restart the print from where it's left off, avoiding any worry about sudden power failure. The 4.3-inch color knob screen with optimized icons provides a vivid user interface that is energy efficient and dims out in 4 minutes without operation. If you are interested in this printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 2 is Toybox 3D Printer. The Toybox 3D Printer is a game changer for kids who want to explore 3D printing. Its intuitive one-touch functions and simple design make it easy for children to operate the device without adult supervision or a complicated setup. One of the most exciting features of the Toybox 3D printer is its complete catalog of toys that can be easily printed. Kids have access to thousands of fantastic toys that are updated weekly and seasonally. The Creator Space allows children to upload their designs and bring their ideas to life through user-friendly apps and tools. All their creations are stored on the cloud for easy access, encouraging children to explore their creativity fully. The Toybox 3D printer's small form factor and Wi-Fi connectivity make it a standalone computer, providing children with a hassle-free experience. Parents can trust the quality and durability of the device thanks to the 30-day no-reason-free return policy and 6-month warranty period. The customer support team can always assist with any questions or concerns. So if you want a printer for your Toybox, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 3 is Malian M300 Mini Delta 3D Printer. The Malian M300 Mini Delta 3D Printer is a fantastic option for kids interested in 3D printing. This printer boasts a smart and simple user interface with button controls for numerical adjustment and axis movement, enabling novices to operate it smoothly and efficiently. One of the most notable features of this printer is that it arrives fully assembled and pre-calibrated at the factory, saving you time and effort. It even includes a micro SD card preloaded with models, allowing you to start printing immediately. The M300 Mini Delta has a compact desktop layout, making it an ideal choice for any home or classroom setting. The all-metal hot end is incredibly durable, preventing wear and tear over time, while the heat break design provides efficient heat dissipation. The sturdy metal base and side filament holder make it easy to use and change the filament. This 3D printer is compatible with various software applications, including Cura and Repetier, and can print from 3D model files stored on a micro SD card. With Malian's lifetime technical support and 24-hour professional customer service, you can access expert assistance whenever needed. If you want to buy the Mini Delta 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 4 is NC 3D Printer. ANSI 3D printer is an excellent choice for kids and beginners who want to explore their creativity in mechanical engineering and electronics. Its all-in-one structure designed with an easy-operated button, visible protective door, and screen makes it very safe and easy to operate. The printer comes fully assembled, making setting up and printing immediately hassle-free. This 3D printer offers high-speed and high-precision printing with a standard nozzle of 0.6 mm in diameter, reaching a precision of up to 0.1 and a speed of up to 60 mm per second. Its size is compact, occupying very little space, and is convenient to carry. The removable flexible magnetic plate provides all-around protection to the printer, ensuring a consistent temperature throughout the build surface and easy removal of printing models after cooling. The ANSI 3D printer includes a PLA filament of 1.75 mm, enough for printing about 10 models of 80 by 80 by 80 mm, along with a diversified collection of models in the TF card. After unexpected power outages, the printer can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position. The 3D printer comes with a 1-year warranty, and customer support is responsive, responding within 24 hours. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is Malian M200 FDM 3D printer. Malian M200 FDM Mini 3D printer is a perfect entry-level printer for kids who want to explore the fascinating world of 3D printing. With a compact desktop design, this printer is easy to use and is shipped fully assembled, making it an ideal choice for young users. The printer features a heated build plate and a wide range of extruder temperatures, allowing it to work with most types of 1.75 mm 3D filaments, including primary filaments like ABS and PLA, as well as advanced materials such as conductive PLA, wood, copper fill, steel fill, or bronze fill. The all-metal hot end ensures superior performance and prevents wear and tear, while the heat break design allows for efficient heat dissipation. Malian provides lifetime technical support and 24-hour professional customer service to all its customers, ensuring a hassle-free experience for kids and parents alike. Overall, the Malian M200 FDM Mini 3D printer is a reliable, user-friendly, and affordable choice for kids looking to unleash their creativity and bring their ideas to life. If you are interested in a 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printers for kids. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.